today's video, I want to show you something that I've been working on that will help you grow your social media channels and overall help you get more impressions so you can get more views on your video, get more likes on your posts, or just grow your following for whatever reason it may be, personal or business. I'm gonna break it down into 3 simple steps. I sound like a telemarketer saying that, so I don't like that. I'm just gonna break it down for you guys. Know the current topics in your field and actually care about them. Whatever you're into, whether it be sports, video games, whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're just tweeting something to get a reaction out of people, yeah, you may get viewers, but you're not gonna retain them. Know the community that you're in and build on that. I had a tweet go out today. All I did was tweet out my favorite podcast by tagging my favorite podcasts and the people who do them in them. Because it's genuine, and that's what I listen to every single day. That's why it worked. Number 2 kind of circles back to point 1, where you can't fake it or it's not gonna last. Yeah, you may get one post that blows up, but what? So they go look at your profile and you still have 200 followers. Nice. No, not nice. What's the point of going viral or getting more views in the first place if you don't want to retain them and use them to your advantage, those views? It just doesn't make sense. You're just doing it to have a laugh. Then go create memes, have a laugh. Good job. The third one, okay, so quality over quantity. This goes for most social platforms like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, where people don't want to be oversaturated on their timeline. They don't want to see Van Bar pop up 100 fucking times on their timeline. I see people that I genuinely like in person, but their timelines are garbage. Like, I don't want to follow that. I don't care about your whole day. I genuinely don't, but I like you. That's just for certain platforms. For TikTok, I know, yeah, TikTok is the best example where quantity is over quality, because there's so many people just scrolling, and it doesn't matter. Like you can create 20 videos, and if one hits, then you're going viral. I'm telling you, it's not that hard. Just be genuine, care about what you're talking about, and be in the community of what you want to be viral or get more views in. The normal person doesn't care about it, but if you're trying to base your livelihood and your business off of clicks, don't be a clickbaiter. That shit's lame. That's not cool. I don't like clickbaiters. Neither do you. You don't like to click on an article and be like, this is totally not what I wanted. No one does. You don't want that fake news. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching the video, supporting me, my channel. And if you like Call of Duty, tune into my other videos. And if you don't like Call of Duty, you can still subscribe, because I'll have more content coming out with other games, videos like this, unboxings. We got it all, man. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.